Bonjour, bonjour. It is Marianne Lecoeur of howtobechicandelegant.com. So bonjour. In this video, I wanted to talk about how to shop like a chic French woman. So we have many criterias, but mainly we follow what I call the 3 pillars of French chic. And what are the 3 pillars of French chic? I hear you ask. It is less is more, keep it simple, and quality, not quantity. These are the foundation points of French chic. You see, if you don't follow those 3 pillars, you haven't got the foundation of French chic, and your style will not be true French chic, if this is what you aspire to. So the less is more, and when you understand the French, you will know why these 3 pillars of French chic make sense. They make so much sense for us French. And because I am French, I can obviously understand how we French people think. And when you know how we think, you understand about our style, about our way of life, and even how we eat. So how do we shop? Well, we follow those 3 pillars. Keep it simple, always keep it simple. When you see, when you think about a French woman, a chic French woman, straight away you will think and you will remember that her style is very simple. Not many frou-frous, not many detailing, not too many colors at once, and this is keep it simple. The next one, less is more. Again, less is more. So you pare down everything. Not too many of this, not too many of that, not too many accessories, not too many jewelry. Again, not too many colors at once. This is second one. The third pillar, quality, not quantity. When you know the French, and you will know, if you know Parisians, many people talk about Parisian style, but the Parisians have very small apartments, very small closet. So not much closet space. You cannot have too many clothes in your closet, okay? But what they have is really pared down, and it is exactly what they want and what they wear. Obviously what they love wearing. Yes? And everything is of quality. When I talk about quality, is of the best quality that you can afford. If you can afford, up to 100 euros, 200 euros, that's fine, that's the top quality. If you can afford 1,000 euros, that's your quality, okay? Always the best quality that you can afford. This will make sure that you can wear those clothes multiple times, okay, and that they look good for so many years. The bulk of my wardrobe is clothes that I have had for years. Some clothes I have had for almost 20 years. But whenever I wear them, they look good. And many people ask me repeatedly, I love your jacket, where have you bought it? I said, well, I bought it here, but in such a place, such a brand, but I have bought it years ago, so they can't buy the same one because I've had it for 10 years, 15 years, 18 years, and people are surprised. But it doesn't look old. No, because it was good quality, and I look after my clothes, so they look good. And when they start looking a bit tatty, it's time to replace them. Okay. Also, a main criteria is always buy things that flatter your body shape, your silhouette. In French, we call it la silhouette. Okay, we don't really. I grew up obviously in France, and people were not saying I'm an apple shape, I'm pear, whatever. They used to mention the body areas. So they would say, j'ai acheté cette jupe, j'ai acheté ce pantalon, c'est super, ça me va très bien parce que j'ai des fesses un peu grosses et ça ne me grossit pas, ça m'amincit, la longueur est juste bien, je peux mettre ça avec des talons, c'est super. So what did I just say in French? You know, I mentioned this, for instance, this example of a lady who would say, I bought this pair of trousers, really suit me because I've got a big bottom and this doesn't make my bottom big and it lengthens my legs. I can wear it with heels and so forth. So you see, growing up, I was used to, and you know, I'm talking, you know, I'm in my 50s. So I'm talking, you know, 40 odd years ago, 50 odd years ago, we were already in France talking about our shape. You know, we were aware of our shape. We were aware of the clothes that suited us. Okay? So now, of course, you know, people are talking about body shape, and that's fine. So we are getting aware of it, but it's something that if you don't know how to do, you will pick the wrong clothes for you. So as well as the 3 pillars of French chic, you know, something else that is foundational of French style is, you know, wearing the clothes that fit your silhouette or the areas of your body that is, you know, either in one shape or another. Okay? So there are also many other criteria of how to shop like a chic French woman. And if you want to know more, I have this this really highly popular course called Shop Like a Chic French Woman. So if you want to know more, I'll post the link below this video. And you know, to give you even more tips, even more techniques and how-tos of you know, what to do, how to pick the right clothes for you, how to wear, to buy, to make the right decisions, to buy such and such pieces that you know you will be able to wear repeatedly. Okay? So, because us, the French women, when we buy something, we always keep in mind that we shall wear this piece over and over again. And very rarely do we buy something that we know we're going to wear once. Hardly ever. You know, just maybe a wedding dress, and hopefully only once. So, you know, it is important to know the criteria. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a look below at those links I post below to the Shop Like a French Woman, because there's so many criteria and things I'm talking in it, and also plenty of videos for you. So thank you very much for watching. À bientôt.